Hey, Otto. Don't worry. We've got this.
I hope so.
It's beautiful! Otto, you've worked so hard, and now the whole world gets to see your gift. Your beautiful, beautiful gift. Yeah!
The word chest. Magnificent means wonderfully impressive or beautiful. You can use it for a painting, a sunset, an idea, or a person. I use it for everything. Muffin, this magnificent. This wave, magnificent. You, watching this right now, absolutely magnificent. You can do it. Yeah, Otto, show us what you got. That's the spirit.
Okay, here goes nothing and everything.
Today's word, magnificent. Wonderfully impressive or beautiful. There is something magnificent about you. Don't forget it. Stay kind, stay curious, and stay fantastic. See you in Coraville.
Word of nificent. Wonderfully impressive or beautiful.